Alright, so today we're going to be making an addition to this shed right here so that we can store all our scrap wood.
What happened to the ladders?
No, we need scaffolding.
Scaffolding?
A lot easier than ladders. I'm gonna get the trailer pulled right back over there so we don't have to walk a mile to get all our wood. All right. All right, we slowly got some of the tools out here. There it is. It's a really janky shed. I do understand that this isn't prime construction of any sort, but it holds. So now we got to get to measuring and cutting. These posts. I know what it is.
A lot of boring math later.
Okay, so we have pretty much all our wood from the leftover pergola that we took down about a year and a half ago. A bunch of 6x6s there. We're gonna use these, 4 for the front, and then we got some other ones, these for the back. So 16 by 12 space we're building. 6 feet, 4 foot doorway, 6 feet, 12 foot, 16 foot. Well, you're either gonna take this cord and plug it in, okay? Okay.
Oh my.
It's cutting it kind of close, no pun intended. I think we'll be able to start the saw.
Yeah.
It's against the fence. There, hold the end. I'm just gonna get a... Alright, we just got done with some lunch. As you can see, we have gotten most of it up already. We've done pretty good for before 12 o'clock. Alright guys, I'm up here on top of the shed, marking out where I'm going to put the joists. Just making them every 16 inches, so probably 24 for joists, but it'll be fine for this. Cutting those trusses. They're not trusses, they're joists. Cutting the joists. Okay. Alright, so what I was doing there is I'm just marking 12 inches for the right amount of overhang. I have a consistent overhang throughout the rest of the shed. Alrighty, boys and girls. Shh. It's been about, I don't know, an hour. Okay, we just finished this shed. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to be putting boards up here like this just to ensure equal rights for all metal. What? You can turn the compressor on. What if you didn't do that? Just come on. You just pulled it back.
Perfect.
You almost knocked the camera off. Turn the pressure up. Man, this guy is so hard to please. Ready? Oh, dude, I'm trying to hold the camera. We are adding that and that because we didn't measure for the metal hanging over. We don't want the metal to hang over the right amount. So, Joe, ready? Oh my goodness. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we've got the roof on now. Now it's for the back side. 2 days. Actually in about 12 hours. How'd Bill show? If you count up the hours of work. It's 12 hours. This is what it looks like, finished and all. It's kind of like a pole barn type thing minus the actual, you know, way to put the poles in. But it's on a concrete slab, so we're good. Anyway. Oh, so beautiful. I mean, I know it's the most janky thing you've seen on earth, but it is beautiful.
Many months later.
I feel like we start every single vlog like we're going to be.
We are
going to be making a concrete countertop.
A what?
A concrete You seem really close. Can you just... There you go. That's much better. For the vanity in our sister's bathroom, which is right there. On the other side of that wall. And we'll insert some pictures of the one we already did for our room. We did make a big mistake when building this, which was using nails. Don't use nail.
I use screws.
Oh. We're going to be adding some of this flow control, which is a plasticizer. So it'll make it really liquidy and a lot easier to pour, and it'll basically self-level everything as well. Did you read the instructions?
It said 3.75 quarts.
Okay.
This is 4 quarts. There's a lot of unmixed territory down there.
Let's see. It's not without the top. Not everything in life goes your way. Looks like our countertop had some weak spots. It's a combination of
We make concrete t-shirts for people if they like them. Do you like yours, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're on day 2 now. I remade the forms, I recaulked them. We set new sink forms and new pipe forms. One thing I do want to mention here is we tried the Gorilla brand super glue, their gel super glue, and it took forever for them to set. These have been in here maybe 30 seconds and they're already, this Loctite gel has outperformed that tremendously. So I would definitely recommend that. Anyway, we're ready to pour, so mix them up. They all have been mixed up. Dude. Keep going.
Yeah, those two mix.
Okay.
This is, in fact, very warm.
We're keeping it nice and wet.
All right.
All right.
Very nice.
Yeah. There we go. It's because this. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Sit down.
Alright guys, well thank you for watching this vlog. Looks like we got a good result out of this Quickcrete or this rapid set mortar mix. We will leave a link in the description to the original YouTube video, the original recipe and instructions for this if you want to try it at home. It's a fun project and you can definitely get some really cool results. I think we're going to try to bleach this one right here to give it a little bit more white tone to it. But that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and we will see you very soon in the next video.